So in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can install Java in your Ubuntu operating system, and that's by adding the Web Update Ppa and then installing Java using the Ppa itself. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to add the Web Update Java Ppa, and you can do that by doing sudo add apt repository Ppa Web Update Team. /Java. And you just press enter. And once that finishes, the next thing you need to do is sudo apt get update. And the last thing that you need to do is to install Java. So I'm going to install Java 9. So I'm going to do sudo apt get install Oracle Java 9 installer. And that's going to go ahead and install Java on my operating system. And that's the simplest way to get Java installed on your operating system. And I agree to the license terms. Just select enter and yes. And now it's going to download the Java binaries. There it is, more than 70% done now. And almost there. And there it is, download is completed. And there it is, so Java is installed. And in order to check the Java version, all you do is just type Java -version. And there it is. You can see Java version 9.0.4 is installed. So thank you very much for watching my video.